Sister asked the question that there are many sisters coming to Islam, and I do agree with her, that more ladies are accepting Islam than the gents. On an average, 2/3 non-Muslim ladies accept Islam and 1/3 gents. She's asking that when they accept Islam, they don't get a right match. And many of the Muslims don't like giving their sons to reverts. What should be done? Finding a match now, leave aside revert. Even born in a Muslim family, it is difficult for Muslim girls to find a good match. Reverts ki baat to apni jagah pe. The situation is so bad, the society is going on the wrong direction. So finding a match has become a problem, and more so getting a good boy. Getting a good girl is easier because Allah has made the woman like that. Therefore, women come to the truth faster. Now the question is that as far as marrying reverts is concerned, shouldn't we encourage that Muslim boy should marry reverts? That many of the reversions take place because of other reasons. Not all, many. Maybe because LBW, no? Love before wedding. So we love kar liya to fir, then your nose is cut, so you do plastic surgery, then you revert. But alhamdulillah, I know of many ladies who accepted Islam only by the merit. I'm telling you that there are many people accepting Islam. Now, if a lady or a boy who accepts Islam because of its merit, not because of LBW, love before wedding, but by its merit, the chances of they being practicing Muslim is much higher than a person who is born in a Muslim family. As a general rule, it's not a blanket rule. MashaAllah, many people born in a Muslim family have got high taqwa. But as a general rule, a non-Muslim who accepts Islam because of the beauty of Islam, after studying it, has higher chances of being a practicing Muslim than a Muslim who is born in a Muslim family. Is it clear? But I'm not talking about those reverts who have reverted for other reasons, whether for money or whether for love, etc. Even they, alhamdulillah, I know many who became Muslim because of love, but a girl doesn't know Islam, but has a love affair with a Muslim boy. After a couple of years, that girl is a better practicing Muslim than the Muslim boy. Muslim boy is a naam ke liye. But yeah, that name, marry karunga, you'll have to change your religion. Forced from the parents. The woman accepted Islam. And after a couple of years, she's more practicing. Better Muslim. Then started doing dawah to the husband. Husband may come on the track on another different issue. There are various cases, but a lady who has accepted Islam or a boy has accepted Islam by its merit, the chances of them being better than a normal Muslim boy or girl born in a Muslim family is higher. So it should not be a discouragement, it should be an encouragement. But naturally the pros and cons should be seen to it. Like the Prophet said, when you marry, there are various aspects, look at it. Many people look at beauty, nobility, wealth and virtue. The best is virtue. But the other three things also you can look at it, not that you cannot. If someone wants to marry a beautiful girl, he has an option. You cannot say, oh, why looking? But the best is virtue. Don't go so much for beauty and give her a virtue. If you say, sab chahiye sone pe suhaga, all for alhamdulillah. If you get a girl who's the most beautiful girl and the wealthiest girl and noble girl and virtue, alhamdulillah. But the best is virtue. And similarly, you have to marry in your own standard, etc. So all these things, there are various hadiths. That doesn't mean you break all the barriers. You can break the barrier. You can neglect many things only for virtue and yet have a good married life. So the basic is you have to analyze the pros and cons. But it's not a discouragement, it's an encouragement. But a proper survey should be done. That not the love affair ho gaya college mein, and after 1 year revolt ho gaya, wo bole marry karne ka, then you have to look at the pros and cons. Yet she may be a good Muslim or not. Seeing all the pros and cons, it should not be a negative factor, it should be an encouraging factor, I feel. Hope that answers the question, sister.